There is a quiet magic in wild places, a story told by stone and water. Along winding rivers, treasures await the patient and observant. This is your invitation to step away from daily noise and into nature's rhythm. Gem hunting, especially for diamonds, connects us to Earth's ancient story. Imagine yourself by a clear river, sun on your back, listening to water and wind. Here, you're not just a visitor. You're part of an age-old quest for rare beauty. The adventure begins with a single, hopeful step to the water's edge. When it comes to searching for river diamonds, you might imagine high-tech gadgets or expensive equipment. But in reality, you don't need fancy gear to hunt for these hidden treasures. Simplicity is key. The most successful diamond hunters often rely on just a handful of humble, reliable tools that have stood the test of time. Start with a sturdy shovel or a durable trowel. These are your primary tools for digging into the gravel bars along the riverbanks, where heavy minerals like diamonds tend to settle after being carried downstream by the current. The right shovel helps you move larger amounts of gravel, while a trowel is perfect for more precise work in tighter spots. Next, classifier screens are absolutely essential for sorting through the material you dig up. Use a larger mesh screen, stacked over a finer one to separate bigger rocks from the smaller, more promising stones. This two-step process makes it much easier to spot anything unusual or valuable. Gently shake the screens over the river water. The flowing water helps wash away lighter sand and silt, leaving behind only the heavier stones and minerals. This method not only saves time, but also increases your chances of finding something special. Pay close attention to the material left in the finer screen. This is where small gemstones, and possibly even a diamond, may be hiding among the pebbles. Carefully inspect each piece, as diamonds can easily be overlooked if you rush. Don't forget to wear sturdy gloves to protect your hands from sharp rocks and rough gravel. A small bucket or a durable bag is also handy for collecting and carrying your finds as you move along the riverbank. For those who want to be extra thorough, a pry bar can help you loosen stubborn rocks embedded in the riverbed, while a pair of tweezers is perfect for picking up tiny gems or delicate stones without losing them in the process. With these simple yet effective tools, you're not fighting against the river, you're working with it, using patience and careful observation to uncover the hidden wonders that nature has tucked away. Sometimes the simplest tools lead to the most extraordinary discoveries. Forget the sparkling diamonds in jewelry stores. A raw diamond is subtle and organic. Look for a greasy or oily luster, not a bright sparkle like quartz. Most raw diamonds are octahedral, two pyramids joined at the base, or sometimes cubic or dodecahedral. Seek stones with flat triangular faces and sharp edges, though river action may round them. Natural diamonds range in colour. Clear yellow, brown, grey, even green, often with a frosted skin. Don't dismiss cloudy or coloured stones. Focus on luster, shape and crystal form. Diamonds feel dense and heavy, never soft or easily scratched. Their rugged form tells a story of immense strength and endurance. Look for quiet confidence, a survivor among ordinary stones. The riverbed is a world of endless possibilities, filled with stones that look remarkably similar at first glance. Among the countless pebbles and rocks, learning to spot a true diamond is an essential skill for any aspiring treasure hunter. It's not just about luck, it's about training your eye to notice the subtle differences that separate a rare gem from an ordinary stone. Quartz is the most common imposter you'll encounter. Its surface sparkles brightly in the sunlight, and it often has a glassy, almost mirror-like shine. However, unlike a diamond's unique, soft glow, quartz tends to reflect light in a more scattered, less focused way. This difference in luster is one of the first clues you can use to tell them apart. Topaz is another stone that can easily confuse beginners. While it can be just as clear and beautiful as a diamond, topaz usually forms in long prismatic crystals, whereas diamonds are found in more blocky octahedral shapes. Paying attention to the shape and structure of the crystal can help you avoid common mistakes. Diamonds are not only denser but also much harder than quartz or topaz. If you gently tap them or try a simple scratch test, you'll notice that diamonds resist scratching far better than their look-alike counterparts. This physical property is a reliable way to narrow down your finds. When you hold a stone up to the light, look for geometric edges and a frosted surface. Diamonds may not always be perfectly clear. They often have a slightly frosted appearance, but beneath that you'll see sharp, well-defined edges that hint at their internal order. Symmetry is another key indicator. Diamonds tend to have a natural internal order, with faces and edges that align in a regular geometric pattern. In contrast, most ordinary rocks and minerals have irregular, random shapes with little symmetry. As you search, collect any stone that seems even remotely promising. The more you practice, the sharper your eye will become. Over time, you'll develop a sense for which stones are worth a closer look and which can be set aside. With experience, you'll start to notice the greasy luster and precise geometric form that set diamonds apart from quartz and other minerals. These subtle differences become more obvious the more stones you examine. Remember, patience and careful comparison are your best teachers. The process can be slow, but every stone you examine brings you closer to mastering the art of identification. Trust your instincts as you develop a mental image of what a real diamond looks and feels like. With time, your confidence will grow, and you'll be able to distinguish true treasure from ordinary stone with just a glance. Success starts with location. Diamonds are found near ancient volcanic pipes, not just any river. Research geological maps and local prospecting clubs to find promising areas. Once there, look for inside bends, downstream from boulders and gravel bars where heavy minerals settle. Focus on the upstream end of gravel bars, the head, where the river slows and deposits its heaviest treasures. Dig into pay dirt layers and look for concentrations of dark, heavy minerals. Consider the area's history. Even worked spots can yield surprises after floods. Check for ancient river terraces above the current riverbed. They may hold old deposits. Choosing a spot blends geology, river dynamics and intuition. Let the landscape guide your search. Safety comes first. Rivers are unpredictable and powerful. Check weather forecasts. Avoid rivers during or after heavy rain. Tell someone your plans before heading out. Wear sturdy, grippy footwear and never wade deeper than your knees. Use a stick for stability if crossing water. Beware of sudden drop-offs. Watch for wildlife. Protect yourself from sun and dehydration and bring plenty of water. Practice leave no trace. Pack out all trash and refill any holes you dig. Responsible exploration keeps these places beautiful for everyone. Found a promising stone? Try these simple tests. The scratch test quartz can't scratch a diamond, but a diamond can scratch corundum, sapphire, ruby. Use a corundum crystal to check. If your stone scratches it, you may have a diamond. The water test diamonds are dense and sink quickly in water. The fog test breathe on the stone. A real diamond clears fog instantly due to high thermal conductivity. None of these tests are conclusive alone, but together they build a strong case. Always test gently to avoid damaging your find. If your stone passes, seek a professional opinion for confirmation. These steps help separate true gems from lookalikes. Diamond hunting is an exercise in patience, mirroring nature's slow processes. The river won't reveal its secrets quickly. Most days yield only ordinary stones. Each search hones your skills and deepens your understanding of the land. Treasure the experience. Cool water, wildlife and peaceful solitude. Gem hunting fosters mindfulness and a connection to the present moment. Celebrate small finds and the journey itself, not just the outcome. The river teaches that true rewards require dedication and time. Every trip is a success when you embrace the patience of the natural world. We've explored the tools, the stones and the riverbank. Now it's your turn. Imagine the anticipation as you gather your gear, the early morning light glinting off the water, and the promise of discovery just ahead. This is the moment where preparation meets possibility. The real adventure begins when you step outside, tools in hand, ready to explore. Each step you take towards the riverbank is a step into the unknown, where every rock and ripple could hold a secret waiting to be uncovered. Don't wait for perfect conditions. Curiosity and willingness are all you need. Even on cloudy days or chilly mornings, the river welcomes you. The best discoveries often come when you least expect them, so let your curiosity lead the way. Start with a safe, accessible spot and focus on learning the technique, not instant success. Bring friends or family along or enjoy the solitude. Either way, every outing is a chance to learn and grow. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. Practice sifting, washing and examining stones. Your eye for detail will grow. With each handful of gravel, you'll become more attuned to subtle differences in color, texture and shape. Over time, you'll develop the patience and skill that turn simple searching into true discovery. Join a tradition of naturalists and prospectors, sharing or savoring your journey as you wish. Swap stories, compare finds, or simply enjoy the quiet satisfaction of a day well spent. The riverbank is a place where memories are made and friendships are forged. The act of searching connects you to the Earth's ancient story. Each stone you pick up has traveled through time, shaped by water and weather, carrying the history of the land in its form. You become part of a story that began long before you arrived. Let the river's sound guide you, and let discovery be your reward. Take a moment to listen to the water, the wind, and your own sense of wonder. Sometimes the greatest treasures are the moments of peace and connection you find along the way. Whether you find a diamond or not, you'll gain peace, connection, and wonder. The river offers gifts beyond gemstones, clarity of mind, a sense of belonging, and the thrill of exploration. Every outing is a chance to reconnect with nature and yourself. The river is waiting. Your adventure has just begun. As the sun sets and you pack up your gear, know that every visit brings new possibilities. The journey is yours to shape, and the river will always be there inviting you back for more discoveries.